Hello, kumusta? Good maayong odto, maayong hapon. Kumusta po kayo? Si Mr. nag-ano lang siya dito, naglalaba. Nag-cut ng damo po siya. And then ako dito, pa video-video lang, binantayan ko lang talaga siya, no. Pero yon, ito muna yung ipakita ko sa inyo, ang hapsay ng kalibutan, charot hapsay talaga. Ang ganda ng paligid kapag bagong cut yung damo. And so, start tayo sa ating vlog na si Tami aalis na sobrang aga. Iiwan na naman tayo. I'll do it. Come on. Where's your lap bag? Oh, you put it in the... I'll do it, honey. I know how to do it.
It'll take me 2 seconds.
He got home what time? He got home 1 o'clock and then now he leave, guys. 1:30. And now he's leaving. Oh, baby. Oh, thank you, hon.
Yeah, hopefully it's good. Try it. Put it on a little mini.
Thank you.
Put it on a little mini bagel.
Look, he's so busy working, guys, but he's able to get me a always bread from Trader Joe's. I can't believe Trader Joe's have this.
Oh yeah, I was a little surprised myself.
Thank you, baby.
Yep, good fuck.
Where is your thing? Okay, have the paper towel. Do you have water, hon? Do you want bag with this? Tignan yung mukha ko. Gising ko lang talaga kasi na-surprise ako kasi aalis na naman siya. Oh God, he's so busy. Be careful driving, ha? Don't worry about. Give me the bottle. Yung gulong na naman is we really have to send this to the thing. Tusok na naman ito.
14 and a half. Very well.
Okay, I'll do it later. Yun mga loves, wala na namang hangin ang ating gulong. So, kaya yun, gusto niyang maglagay ng hangin. Sabi ko sa kanya, ako na lang sana kaso ayaw niya. Kasi nga, sobrang bait o, diba? Ganyan talaga yun Sabi pa niya sa akin, para diretso na ako alis mamaya, hindi na ako maglagay ng hangin. Siya na lang. At yun, dahil sa buong araw ako lang mag-isa. So, ngayon, patayin natin itong mga halaman, mga damo, no? Tumutubo dito sa ating pathway. Ang dami kasi. Kinukuha ako naman sila pero pabalik-balik. So, kailangan natin silang isprehan para talagang sure na hindi na sila babalik dito sa buhay ko. Kasi disturbo. At mga loves, kailangan talagang mag-ingat sa gamit na ito. Kasi pati yung mga bulaklak dyan, kapag matamaan ito, patay, no? Delikado kasi, ay nako, pag mapatay. Sabi pa, pang ano lang ito, mga damo, pero bulaklak, I think matamaan, patay din sila. 5 o'clock ng umaga nagising ako at ito yung mga kaganapan sa bed. Andito si Hubs, si Tami nakauwi 1 o'clock ng gabi. Buti na lang tinabihan ako pero ang daming tumatabi sa amin. Si Hubs gusto niyang gisingin yung ama nila. How's your morning? Tinawagan ko siya kagabi. It is very sleepy baby driving home because wala siyang tulog. I'm going to make breakfast and then whatever I cook you eat.
Yeah, that's a live one. We'll see.
Honey, don't say we'll see me. Don't will see me. Okay?
And I would never agree to something like that. You know why?
It's not okra, okay? Not okra, love. I'm gonna make something like egg probably and rice, fried rice.
Yeah.
You want hash brown instead? You pick fried rice or hash brown?
The rice is fine.
At pagkatapos kong nagluto ng umagahan ni Mister, bakit nag-iba na yung tono? Ibalik. Pumunta na naman ako sa garden, magdagdag tayo ng kangkong. Kasi parang nakulangan ako, konti lang yung kangkong na tanim ko at meron pang space dyan. So, kangkong na lang yung ilagay natin. Nakatingin ako dito. Ang daming raspberry, oh. Tingnan nyo, nagpula-pula lang siya. So, ngayon, i-harvest natin. Tara, harvestin natin yan. So yun, sa dami-daming raspberry dito, kukunin natin. Ito malaki. Ang laki-laki. Ang laki-laki ng raspberry. Masarap daw ito sa pancake, sabi ni Mister. Dito. Kunin natin yung hindi nakain. Yun guys. Harvest tayo ng raspberries. Meron dito. Ay, kinain na. Look. Mag-cut ako ngayon ng grass. Kasi, kailangan mag-cut ng grass. Meron dito guys, oh. Look, oh. Meron dito sa ilalim. Kunin natin. May nag-cut ng grass sobrang early. Bakit naman ang early nang mag-cut ng grass, eh? Grabe naman ito. Yun. Dito sa labas ang dami. Pero may kapitbahay man nakatingin, eh. Nahihiya man ako, eh. Nahihiya. Tara. Alay, sis, may ano. Oopsie. Wala, may mga ibon. May mga ibon dito. May ibon pala dito. Dito. Okay. May roxicals. Bunga. Kinain naman yung iba, eh. You want some? Do you want? At yun mga loves, yun yung harvest natin, no? At saka hindi ko na malayan itong lime natin. Lumalaki na yung bunga. So yun, lumalaki na at marami. Thank you. Hello mga loves, mag-ano lang tayo dito ng ating pagkain para may makain ng ating asawa. Pero meron lang ako ditong i-share now habang nag-i-edit ako, no. Nakikita ko yung kaibahan namin ni Tami kaysa noon. Habang tumatagal po kami, nakikita ko si Tami talagang tumanda ng tumanda. Ako din tumaba ng tumanda, taba-taba, no. Nakikita ko yung kaibahan namin noon, nung una kaming nagkita, no. Bata pa si Tami noon. At ako din sobrang payat pa. Yun yung kaibahan. Ang bilis ng panahon mga loves. Si Tami tumanda, ako tumanda at may taba-taba. Busy na naman siya guys. Magwala na naman ako. Charot. Hindi ay. Okay lang naman yun. Sometimes talagang ating mood is may time na gusto nating mang-away. Pero ngayon is time to relax. God bless you. God bless you. I'm really stinky. Makes him sneeze. Sabi ko sa kanya, it's a nice color. But he said he doesn't want to wear anywhere because walang packet. Walang packet wifi. Packet wifi. Walang packet yung ano. Lalagyan daw niya ng sigarilyo. Iwan ko na lang. You need to buy a tiny bag for your cigarette. Packet book, yeah. Why not? Why not, love? Dum 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 dum.
You know, you can put it in the refrigerator. We can just have the pasta and the chicken for tonight.
Pasta and chicken? What pasta and chicken?
Well, you got pots over there, and there's chicken in the refrigerator. I'm just saying.
Are you sure you like burger?
Yeah, for what? I'll have it tomorrow. Well, you don't have burgers every day.
Are you sure with that?
Yeah.
100% sure?
Yeah.
Can you wiggle with me? We do it together. Come on.
I can't do this.
I love you. Hon, I like when you... Hon, I found a thing like in Walmart. Me and Brenda. Found it's like this. Nice, honey. Okay.
No pockets?
There, 2 packets. And you know what? There is a tag here. Something name in it. Like the brand.
Yeah.
And there's another one
I don't
here.
care about brand names.
You don't care? I will get it, hon. It's nice. 2 packets, hon. I said there is a thing here. It's a little thicker. It's like a tapach here.
Yeah.
It's like a name. Nice one. Right here. There's black, hon.
That reminds me. You were saying that you wanted more polo shirts. My polo shirts. Like the shirts with the button and the short sleeves.
With a collar.
Yeah, you were saying that you couldn't find it, right?
Yeah.
I have my grand.
You? Let me see. Brand new. Oh, yeah. I got that for you.
Oh, okay, there you go.
I got that for you.
Okay.
This is for you.
Now for you.
Why?
Could you wear that stuff?
Han, this is a man. I got this for you and you don't want to wear it. How insulting are you? You are very, very insulting. Come on, take it back. Put it here. You can only wear it inside the house here. Come on. Especially in winter. Summer.
I thought you wanted.
Come on, especially in summer.
Because you say you want.
You can use it here just like what you just did now. Do that. Look guys, there's a lot of jeans up there. Brand new jeans. Okay, Roxy, let's go. This is our hiding spots, guys, right here. Roxy and I.
No, I never wear it.
You did wear that.
Like this.
You can wear those here, honey.
No pockets anyway.
I know.
This is kind of nice though.
That I don't like the fabric. It's not good for summer.
Yeah,
It's hot.
It is for summer.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. I know you have a lot of that. I don't know why you keep buying. You like a thing with pockets. Oh, sa tummy, what? So I guess I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. We're gonna have the whatever leftover we have. Are you sure, my love? Okay, then we do it tomorrow. Tomorrow. This is what happened, guys. Marami kasi kaming leftover, so kaya yearn. So, but I have stuff here. Look, I have salada. Gawin daw siya. I don't know what he's gonna do. What's your steps over there, huh? What are you gonna do, love? Allah. Gusto ata malaman niya kung may electric ba ang ground. Oh my goodness. Nothing, Han. Of course there's no electric. It's like God's creation. Honey, it's God's creation, honey. You should start walking like that. Barefoot. It's about God gave it to you, okay? In the mysterious way. You can't just like do it in the machine. You know. Magic. Oh, my husband's funny.
I'm gonna try it anyway.
My husband's funny. I thought there's a storm. Luckily, I watered the. Tomorrow? Itong louder. So yun, guys. My husband is my husband. My husband, sitting by the fire. Where are you going? Oh.